If you're wondering, has my iPhone been hacked? Here are the real signs and how to fix them on iOS 18. First, don't panic. Most of the time, it's not an actual hack. It's usually spam, settings issues, or suspicious apps. Common signs include apps opening by themselves, random pop-ups saying your iPhone is hacked, fast battery drain, or unusual data usage. If you see pop-ups in Safari, don't click anything. These are scams. Instead, go to Settings, scroll down and go to Safari, and turn on Block Pop-ups, located under the General section. And under the Privacy and Security, turn on Prevent Cross-Site Tracking. Fraudulent website warning, then scroll down and tap Clear History and Website Data. Now, if you're receiving random Apple ID verification codes, this is serious. Go to your Apple ID settings, check devices, and remove anything you don't recognize. Also, change your password immediately and make sure two-factor authentication is enabled. If you see a green or orange dot on your screen, it means an app is using your camera or microphone. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security, Camera or Microphone, and disable access for apps you don't trust. For battery drain, check Settings, Battery, and remove any unusual apps consuming too much power. And if your iPhone still feels off, try a quick force restart. This often fixes minor glitches. So, yeah, most hacks are actually fixable issues, and with these steps, your iPhone should be safe and running normally again.